If you're working in health NDIS, you might be going visiting a client. You just write down some notes, maybe on your phone or dictate it into your phone. At the end of some period, like a month, a support coordinator might need to provide a report on the progress of the client. So is the support helping them to achieve their goals? Obviously, sitting down writing all those reports for your hundreds of clients is quite time consuming. How can AI help? Say we have some NDIS case notes. It's like a daily log. We went with the client, what happened, were there any incidents? So what we can do is just go select all and copy that. You are a NDIS support coordinator. Prepare a progress report for participants in the following daily notes. And you can see that it will prepare something, right? So the NDIS has said that these reports, they should be in a certain format. So if we have a look here, I downloaded this from the net. We can see that it's got like a template and there's tables. So what we can do is go select all on this and paste that in. So if we say I need a report in the templated format below, make sure you use the numeric scores specified in table headers and use the table formats. Just paste that whole template. It does lose a bit of the structure, but the language model is able to kind of unwind that to some degree. What is going to help to write a better report is to know what are the goals of this NDIS participant. I'm just going to paste that from here. These were the participants' goals. Paste that in. Let's call it the client is Bob Smith or something. And so that's the template. And then we go for it. And it's verbatim, produce the same format, even with the instructions at the start of the report. As a starting point. So you can see how much time that's saved having to fill in all these different cells and mapping your notes, your rough notes onto, the progress of that NDIS participant. So then we can copy that. Obviously, you need to work with that in a document. What I've got here is a Google document, and I'm going to do paste from Markdown, and that will preserve all that structure. And you want to also make sure that you erase anything that the LLM might have added. Like at the end, it sometimes adds things like, do you need any further help?